Sand casting is a type of metal casting process that uses sand as the mold material. It's one of the most versatile and cost-effective processes for creating metal castings, and can be used to create parts in almost any shape or size. The process involves pouring molten metal into a sand mold, allowing it to cool, and then breaking away the sand to reveal the finished part. WELONG is able to produce the customized metal casting parts according to customers' drawings or samples. Type of the sand, we have resin sand and green sand in the sand casting lines for your different usage. Materials: gray iron, SG iron alloy nickel bases and chrome bases, carbon steel, aluminum alloy, copper, and stainless steel, or as customers request. Material standard: ISO, BS, ASTM, ASME, DNAN, JIS, GB. The scope of weight 0.1 kilograms, 50 tons. Output per month 500 tons. The precision of dimension: mold by hand CT11, CT13, mold by machine CT8, CT10. Surface finish: shot blasting, galvanizing, painting. Specification by incoming drawings and samples. China WELONG, established in 2001, is a renowned company specializing in the production of high-quality machine parts. With over 20 years of experience in the industry, we have built a strong reputation for delivering precision-engineered components to meet the diverse needs of our clients. At WELONG, we understand that every project requires unique specifications and meticulous attention to detail. Our team of skilled engineers and technicians utilizes state-of-the-art equipment and advanced manufacturing techniques to ensure the highest level of accuracy and quality in every part we produce. One of the key factors that set WELONG apart is our commitment to maintaining stringent standards. We are proud to be certified with the ISO 9000 standard, which reflects our dedication to consistently delivering superior products and services that meet or exceed customer expectations. This certification further demonstrates our unwavering focus on quality control and continuous improvement throughout our operations. As a customer-centric organization, WELONG places great emphasis on open communication and collaboration. We work closely with our clients to understand their specific requirements, offering tailored solutions that align with their needs. Whether it's a small-scale prototype or a large-scale production run, we are equipped to handle projects of varying complexities efficiently and effectively.